So, and this is Ikea's wardrobe Reinsvoll part 2, and we have put lights. We have installed 4 lights up there. One is also there inside is the second one. There is no lights at all. So, and here's the remote control. These buttons do nothing, only these two do something. You press one time, it turns off. You press one time, it turns on. Also, you can adjust the level of the brightness. And now we'll switch right here off and try one more time, but now with lights off at all. So this is the new color. If you open up doors, this is how it will look like inside. You close. Yeah, I will show you. Here it is. This Let's Drive installed, and here's 2 sensors. By closing the doors, you wait up to 3 seconds, and then it will go off. Yes. This is how it's done. So the second one is this kind of also the same strip here. Now we'll close. We'll turn off. Yep. Now here. And my girlfriend likes this thing. But no lights here, so if I turn off these lights right here, as you can see, there's no light inside. But here's the light. Here's also the light. So, and for the doors not to go and damage the wall, we'll just put a small sticker right here. Yes, this is all for today. Thanks.